Actress Priyanka Chopra addressed the United Nations General Assembly on Monday and spoke in depth about the problems the world is currently facing. She said that the world needs global solidarity now more than ever as she took the center stage. Priyanka Chopra met Nobel Peace Prize winner Malala Yousafzai as well and emphasized the adverse after effects of COVID-19 during her address. She said, as countries continue to struggle from the devastating effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, as the climate crisis upends the lives and livelihoods, as conflicts rage, and as poverty, displacement, hunger, and inequalities destroy the very foundation of the more just world that we have fought for such a long time. She added, and as we all know, all is not well with the world, but these crises did not happen by chance, but they can be fixed with a plan. We have that plan, the UN Sustainable Goals to-do list for the world. It's important to mention that Priyanka is the UNICEF Global Goodwill Ambassador. She has been working with the organization for more than a decade now. Meanwhile, as far as films are concerned, Priyanka will be seen in international projects such as It's All Coming Back to Me and the series Citadel.
We all deserve a just, safe, and healthy world to live in. The present and the future rest in your hands, in our hands. But time is running out. We are nearly halfway to the 2030 deadline to achieve these goals. In the Secretary General's own words, we don't have a moment to lose. In this room are representatives of the very countries who signed up those goals in 2015. Leaders who can make that plan a reality in partnership with all of us. So today is about action, it's about ambition, but it is also about hope. It is about what we must do together to make the SDGs a reality.